Join me as I explore whether colonizing Mars could really be the future for humanity and see if I can convince you by the end of this video. For centuries, humans have looked up at the night sky and wondered if we're alone in the universe. As we continue to push the boundaries of space exploration, one question stands out above the rest: can we actually colonize Mars and make it a new home for humanity? It's a daunting task, but one that could ensure our survival as a species and unlock new opportunities for growth and discovery. Mars is a harsh environment, to say the least. The average temperature is around -67 degrees Celsius, and the atmosphere is too thin to support liquid water or protect against harmful radiation. Not to mention, the planet's atmosphere is mostly carbon dioxide, which is toxic to humans. Any potential colonizers would need to find ways to shield themselves from these extreme conditions, which is no small feat. On top of that, Mars is incredibly far away, which makes transportation and communication a major challenge. It takes anywhere from 6 to 9 months to travel from Earth to Mars, depending on the position of the two planets. And even then, there's a significant delay in communication, with signals taking anywhere from 3 to 20 minutes to reach Earth from Mars. This makes real-time communication and remote control virtually impossible. Another major hurdle is the need for sustainable living on Mars. Any colony would need to be self-sufficient, with its own food production, water supply, and waste management systems. This would require a reliable source of energy, which could be a challenge given the planet's limited solar energy and lack of fossil fuels. Despite these challenges, many organizations and governments are already working on making Mars colonization a reality. SpaceX, founded by Elon Musk, is perhaps the most well-known player in this arena. Their Starship program aims to develop reusable rockets that can take both people and cargo to Mars, with the ultimate goal of establishing a permanent, self-sustaining human presence on the planet. NASA is also working on its own Mars exploration program, with plans to send astronauts to Mars in the 2030s. Their Artemis program is focused on developing the necessary technologies and strategies for a sustainable human presence on the lunar surface, with the ultimate goal of using the Moon as a stepping stone for Mars colonization. In addition to these government-backed initiatives, there are many private companies and startups working on specific technologies that could enable Mars colonization. These range from advanced life support systems to in situ resource utilization, which involves using Martian resources to fuel exploration and settlement. One breakthrough moment that could change the course of human colonization efforts is the recent discovery of water on Mars. NASA's Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter detected evidence of seasonal water on Mars, which has huge implications for future colonization efforts. Access to water would simplify many of the challenges involved in establishing a human settlement, from growing food to creating energy. This breakthrough could also accelerate the development of technologies like in situ resource utilization, which could enable colonizers to extract water and other resources from the Martian environment. This would greatly reduce the need for resupply missions from Earth and make Mars colonization more sustainable in the long run. The discovery of water on Mars also raises new questions about the possibility of life on the red planet. While we have no conclusive evidence yet, the presence of water increases the chances of finding microbial life on Mars, which would be a major turning point in human exploration. In conclusion, while colonizing Mars is an incredibly challenging task, it's not impossible. With ongoing advancements in technology, infrastructure, and our understanding of the Martian environment, we may be closer than ever to making human settlement on Mars a reality. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to share your thoughts on Mars colonization in the comments below. If you want to explore more about space exploration, check out my other videos on the topic.